Hi children, I welcome you for the social class. Last class we discussed about the lesson People's Revolt. The topic is Pulithevar Veerapandiya Kattabomman. Okay. Vijayanagara ruler appointed the Nayakas. Nayakas appointed the Palaikara system in 1529. Okay. So what purpose they appointed the Palaikara system means? Why introduced means to maintain the territories and collect the taxes. Okay, collect the taxes. They appointed the Palaikara system. Pulithevar, Veerapandiya Kattabomman, Theeran Chinnamalai, they all belongs to Palaikara system. Okay. First Palaikara, Pulithevar is the first Palaikara successfully against British East India Company. Okay, successfully defeated British East India Company. And Veerapandiya Kattabomman, he belongs to Andhra. During 11th century, they migrated Tamil country. Okay, Tamil country, the brothers are Omaithurai and Savathaiya. And in the final battle, Veerapandiya Kattabomman and in the Kayathar 1799. Okay, so this we discussed in previous class. Today class I am going to discuss about same lesson, People's Revolt. The topic is World Nachiyar. Okay, World Nachiyar. Then Marudhu brothers, Theeran Chinnamalai, then South Indian Rebellion. South Indian Rebellion. Okay. So World Nachiyar. She is the Queen of Sivagangai. At the age of 16, she married Muthu Viraganatha, King of Sivagangai. Then Marudhu brothers, Chinna Marudhu, Periya Marudhu. Okay. He also ruler of Sivagangai. After defeated Muthu Viraganatha, the Kalayar Koil battle, Marudhu brothers became a ruler of Sivagangai. Then Theeran Chinnamalai. He was born in Erode, Chennimalai, Erode, and original name, Theeran Chinnamalai, original name is called as Tirthagiri. Okay. Then South Indian Rebellion. The South Indian Rebellion, most of the Palaikara, they started the confederacy is called as South Indian Rebellion. So rebellion means war, revolt, fight is called as rebellion. So this most of the Palaikara joined together and tried to attack the British East India Company. So this war is called as South Indian Rebellion. South side, Tamil Nadu side was happened. So it's called as South Indian Rebellion during 1800 to 1801. Okay. So this topic we are going to learn today class. World Nachiyar. She is the first woman against British East India Company. She is the Queen of Sivagangai. At the age of 16, she was married Muthu Viraganatha. He is the Raja of Sivagangai. But in 1772, Nawab of Arcot and British invaded Sivagangai. They attacked Sivagangai. In that battle, they killed Muthu Viraganatha, Kalayar Koil battle. Velu Nachiyar escaped in that places her daughter Vellachi Nachiyar. Velu Nachiyar daughter Vellachi Nachiyar, and he moved to the protection of Gopala Nayakar. He is the ruler of Rupachi near Tindikkal. So during this period he organized the army. After he settled Tindikkal and he organized army, intelligence agent Quilly attacked British East India Company. After long period, again recaptured Sivagangai with the help of Marudhu brothers. Marudhu brothers means Chinna Marudhu, Periya Marudhu. Both brothers they called as Marudhu brother. So she is the first queen of fight against the British East India Company, and she is known as Tamil. Tamil she is called as Veeramangai and also known as Jhansi Rani of South India. So you know about the Jhansi Rani in North India. In Tamil Nadu, in south side, Velu Nachiyar is the Jhansi Rani of South India, and Tamil she is called as Veeramangai. Next, we are going to see the topic is Marudhu brothers. Marudhu brothers are the son of Mukaya Palniyappan and Ponnathal. Okay, Marudhu brothers' parents are Mukaya Palniyappan and Ponnathal. The elder brother was called as Periya Marudhu, Vella Marudhu, and younger brother called as Chinna Marudhu. So Chinna Marudhu was a most popular person and he worked under the Muthu Vaduganadhar. He is the Raja of Sivangai. But in 1772, Nawab of Arcad and British East India Company defeated Muthu Vaduganadhar Kaliyar Koyil battle. So in that period, Chinnamarudhu and Marudhu brothers, they worked under the Sivaganga, Raja of Sivaganga, Muthu Vaduganadhar. In 1772, the Nawab of Arcad captured Sivangai. So they defeated Muthu Vaduganadhar Periyavadaya Devar, died in Kaliyar Koyil battle. But after a few months, Sivanga was recaptured by Marudhu brothers and Periyamarudhu was a ruler. Before, who is the ruler means Muthu Vaduganadhar. After defeated Muthu Vaduganadhar, British East India Company captured Sivangai. But later, Marudhu brothers recaptured Sivangai and enthroned the ruler of Sivangai. Okay. So Chinnamarudhu acted as a advisor, Periyamarudhu as a ruler, and Chinnamarudhu acted as his advisor. Due to the terrorist activity against British, they called as Line of Sivanga. Okay, because bravely they attacked British East India Company. So Marudhu brothers they called as Line of Sivanga. In the later of the 18th century, rebellion against started British East India Company and Marudhu brothers. That rebellion is called as South Indian Rebellion. Causes of conflict. Okay, for fight, what is the reason? So Kattabomman was hanged to death. Okay, you know Kattabomman, 1799, Kaitar, they hanged. It is one of the reason. So Marudhu brothers gave the protection, Kattabomman brothers, Umaitore, and who escaped from Palayangotai. So Marudhu brothers gave the protection. That's one of the reason. Next one is the merchant. Merchant means the business person. Sivanga did not like the interference of the company in their internal politics. British East India Company involved Marudhu brothers politics, government. Okay, political politics. So that also not liked by Marudhu brothers. So this is the main reason they started the South Indian Rebellion 1800 to 1801. Is the main reason for South Indian Rebellion. Next, the South Indian Rebellion 1800 to 1801. In February 1801, the brothers of Kattabomman, but Kattabomman hanged 1799. Okay, after death of Kattabomman brothers Umaitore and Savthaiya escaped from Palayangotai and they asked help from Marudhu brothers. So Chinnamarudhu took them to Siruvayal, his capital, and he gave the protection of Kattabomman brothers. So it was directed by the Confederacy. Confederacy means fight consisting of Marudhu brothers, Pandyas of Sivaganga, Gopala Naik of Tindikkal, Kerala Varma of Balabar, and Krishnappa Nayakar and Dondaji of Mysore. So they all organized one South Indian Rebellion. Okay, Confederacy. Okay, they joined together and they attacked the English East India Company. Tiruchirappalli Proclamation 1801. Okay, proclamation means declare the order. The Confederacy is called as proclamation declared in Tiruchirappalli. So it's called as Tiruchirappalli Proclamation 1801. Marudhu Pandyas issued a proclamation of independence to India becoming independence. So they declared the proclamation is called as Tiruchirappalli Proclamation in June 1801. The proclamation of 1801 was the first our Indian emperor united against the British. A copy of proclamation was pasted in wall of Nawab Palace and another copy is pasted in Vaishnava temple at Srirangam. Okay, thus Marudhu brothers spread the spirit of opposition. They all united together and they against English East India Company. In that time, many Palaikarar of Tamil Nadu they joined together and they against British. So Chinnamarudhu collected nearly 2,000. Okay, nearly 2,000 to 20,000 men. Collected 20,000 men to challenge the English East India Company to attack English East India Company. But English East India Company also they got the help from Bengal, Ceylon, Malaya and Raja of Pudukottai, Ettayapuram. So they all helped British East India Company. Okay, once you want to think why British ruled in India means our emperor also supported to British East India Company. It is the main problem. British ruled in our country. Okay, it is British divided policy. They followed the divide and rule policy. So English split the forces at Palekarar. Some Palekarar held to British East India Company. Some Palekarar joined together and they attacked British East India Company. Okay. Next, English annexed Sivangai. Finally, British East India Company attacked Sivangai and they annexed. Annexed means the territories. It is controlled by British East India Company. In the end, the superior military strength, British superior military strength, and the able commander worked on British side, so they won the battle. British won the battle. The rebellion failed. This South Indian rebellion failed at Indian side and English annexed. Okay, territories captured in 1801. Okay, end of the battle, Marudu brothers are executed. Executed means killed in the fort of Tirupattur in Ramanathapuram district on 24 October 1801. Then Umetore and Savataya, who's Umetore and Savataya? Kattabomman brothers, Umetore and Savataya was captured and beheaded. Beheaded means cut the head. So beheaded at Panjalangurichi on 16 November 1801. Thus the South Indian Rebellion end. Final battle. British East India Company abolished the Palekarar system. Okay, abolished the Palekarar system. So all Palekarar, Vishwanath appointed the Nayakar. Nayakar appointed the Palekarar for collecting taxes. Okay, Pulithevar, Veerapandiya Kattabomman, Theeran Chinnamalai, so they all Palekarar. Finally, this South Indian Rebellion, Palekarar system was abolished by British East India Company. Next, Dheeran Chinnamalai. Dheeran Chinnamalai was born at Malapalayam in Chennimalai near Erode. He was born in 1756 Malapalayam in Chennimalai near Erode. Dheeran Chinnamalai original name is called as Tirthagiri. He was a Palekarar of Kongu country. So all Palekarar, Veerapandiya Kattabomman, Marudu brothers, Pulithevar, so they all ruled in Palekarar. So Dheeran Chinnamalai also ruled Palekarar of Kongu country against British East India Company. Okay. So the Kongu country are Salem, Coimbatore, Karur, Tindikkal, Namakkal, Erode. So this all the district at present. This all the district is called as Kongu country. Okay. And he worked under the trained by French military in modern warfare and he also helped Tipu Sultan fight against the British East India Company. After Tipu Sultan's death, Chinnamalai, Dheeran Chinnamalai settled down at Vadanilai. Okay. And he constructed the fort, continued the struggle against the British. After death of Tipu Sultan, he settled in Vadanilai. From that places, he against British East India Company. And he asked the help of Marudu brothers and Marathas, British at Coimbatore in 1800. Dheeran Chinnamalai asked Marudu brothers and Marathas to help attack the British East India Company. But British stopped getting the help from Marudu brothers and Marathas. So Dheeran Chinnamalai alone attacked the British East India Company in Coimbatore. His army was defeated and Dheeran Chinnamalai escaped from the British forces. And Chinnamalai engaged the guerrilla warfare. What is called guerrilla warfare? They hide and suddenly they will come and attack. It's called as guerrilla warfare. So Chinnamalai engaged in guerrilla warfare and he defeated the British in battle at Kaveri, Vadanilai and Arachulur. But during the final battle, Chinnamalai betrayed. Betrayed means he lived in jungle. But Chinnamalai cook Nallappan betrayed and British East India Company captured the Dheeran Chinnamalai and hanged in Sangagiri Fort in 1805. Okay, during the final battle, because of Cook Nallappan, Chinnamalai was hung in Sangagiri Fort in 1805. Okay. So next, recap. So this class we have discussed about Velu Nachiyar, Marudu brothers, Thiran Chinnamalai, South Indian rebellion. So Velu Nachiyar was a queen of Sivagangai. Okay. So at the age of 16, she married Raja of Muthu Vadaganadar. But in 1772, Nawab of Arcad and British East India Company, they defeated Muthu Vadaganadar and they killed Kaliyakoyil battle. Next, Marudhu brothers were the son of Mukaya Palniyappan and Ponnathal. Okay, so Marudhu brothers' terrorist activity against British was called as Line of Sivanga. And Marudhu brothers declared the proclamation is called as Tiruchirappalli Proclamation in June 1801. Next, answer the following. Write a note on Velu Nachiyar. So write about Velu Nachiyar. 41th one. Explain about Marudhu brothers and Thiran Chinnamalai. Explain the detail about Marudhu brothers and Thiran Chinnamalai. And next question is given detail about South Indian Rebellion. In South Indian Rebellion 1800 2801. Given detail about South Indian Rebellion. Next, current affairs. Today our current affairs is who is the Minister of Finance of India? Okay, who is the Ministry of Finance of India? Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. She is the Ministry of Finance of India. Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. I hope you understood this session very well. This lesson will be continued in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.